Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the Mcaffeine Cappuchino Coffee Face Mask. The price of this face mask is 575 rupees for 100 grams of quantity. It comes in a glass tub packaging. The texture of this face mask is very creamy. It applies and spreads very easily and it dries up very quickly on the skin. This is the complete ingredient list of this product. This product contains salicylic acid, but they have not mentioned the percentage of salicylic acid in it. Let's see what are the claims that they have made about this product. So they say try this coffee face mask for acne control, effective in clearing out 99.9% acne causing germs. Then they say it has coffee that exfoliates the skin and salicylic acid that is effective in clearing out acne causing bacteria, and along with that it also has kaolin clay that is effective in clearing out excess oil from the skin. This they also say that it is vegan, cruelty free and PETA certified. So these were all of the claims that they had made about this product. Now I'll quickly share my overall experience of using this product. And also this is another of their latest launches. I have reviewed their Mcaffeine Latte Moisturizer. If you're interested to know about this product, I'll leave it in the description box below for you. Okay, coming to this face mask, I absolutely love the texture of this product. It is very easy to apply. It spreads very easily. It doesn't feel stretchy on the skin after it has dried up. It doesn't feel very heavy. And after you have applied it, it somehow gets absorbed into the skin and that it is not visible at all. It dries very quickly. There's no problem with that. The best part about this product is that it is very easy to take it off as well. I didn't have to use too much of water to remove in order to remove it. I didn't have to like do a lot of pulling and rubbing to get rid of the face mask. So it comes off very easily. It applies very easily. So on the texture aspect of it, it is superb. After using this face mask, the face does feel hydrated. Even though it contains salicylic acid, it does feel hydrated because of coffee and all those other moisturizing ingredients that they have added in it, like almond milk. I did not notice much difference in my skin in terms of the benefits of salicylic acid. It didn't give that benefits like acne control and healing up of acne as such. As I said, the percentage is not mentioned, so maybe it is present in this face mask in a very negligible quantity that it is hardly giving any sort of benefits to the skin. As a face mask, it does feel very good. It feels very refreshing, hydrating after using this face mask. Packaging is good. I really like that, and it also has a mild coffee cappuccino fragrance to it, which I really like. I wouldn't recommend this product to people who are looking for benefits of salicylic acid. I would recommend it to anyone who loves coffee, who likes just a good, refreshing, hydrating face mask, because you wouldn't get that much benefits of salicylic acid from this particular product. So that is all from my overall review of the Mcaffeine Cappuchino Coffee Face Mask. I hope you found this review to be useful. And if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed for more such skincare reviews. And you'll find a lot of these videos from the description box below. And that is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.